All right, you guys, so this is the BB Women's Leena Wheeled Under the Seat Carry-On. This is black and gold. It comes in one size, and this is my must-have for traveling. I take this with me everywhere. This long telescopic handle here, this makes it easy to glide on the back two wheels. I love this thing. This is what I always carry, my beauty products, my makeup, my medicine, all of the important stuff inside of this bag, and I take it each time. Let me show you all these pockets. That's what I love. I love to organize and store things, and that way I know exactly where they are. So it's got these two comfortable little handles. Perfect. They got the Velcro, they'll tie. It's also got this little strap right here. So if I'm also got another wheeled hard shell carry-on, this will sit right on top of it with that little strap. Easy, holds onto it, never falls off. Perfect. These side pockets, it's on both sides. They're going to have netting. I love it. And then, so it's on both sides. You can put all sorts of stuff in here. This is where I usually put my hairspray or my some kind of conditioner or shampoo. That way I keep it separate. Then you've got this big mamma jamma, the big pocket here. So you're going to open this up. This is where my blow dryer, my curling iron, all of my makeup goes. Look at these pockets. Clear so I can see what's in them. Perfect storage. Then you've got this netted zipper storage here. I can put all sorts of stuff in there. This thing is what holds all of my beauty products when I travel. I have to have this thing. I love it. And I use it every single time, without exception. Of course, there's also outside pockets on the front as well. So you've got this one right here. This usually is where I put my phone charger, just so it's handy and I know exactly where it is. Then you've got these two itty bitty little pockets here. This one can hold like chapstick, even a cell phone, keys that if you've left your car at the airport. Then you've got this little pocket right here. I'm talking, this thing holds so much. It is a must have when you travel.